Hey, it's Camille and the Studio Birds here with another book, Beyond the Cover. I'll look inside one of my books called Friendship. And this is a little miniature, meaning that it's smaller than 3 inches on its biggest side, book. It's a little accordion book. And for the cover, I did a relief print of shooting stars, and I printed that on a piece of my handmade paper and then scanned that in and used that for the covers. If you open it up, you can see that it has little sayings, comments about friendship. This is basically a gratitude book about friendship, and you can see the prints. And then for the back of the accordion, I scanned in one of my Eastern handmade papers and used that for the back. So you can see it's a nice little accordion. You can see this little book, as well as patterns and tutorials to make your own artist books or make some of my artist books on my Etsy shop. I want to thank all of those of you that are watching. It's fun to get your comments. Thanks for watching.